I'm so ecstatic and I'm so shocked and I'm just so happy.
Victoria and Michael McGuire never imagined that a Facebook page would help make their brother's dream come true.
He's just so excited and he can't even process it yet.
Late Friday afternoon, country music superstar and Berks County native Taylor Swift posted this message on her Facebook page. Kevin, I'm so sorry, but I won't be able to make it to your prom. But I was wondering, the ACM Awards are coming up. Would you be my date? Love, Taylor.
I think that it says that she's like really kind and nice, that she's taking him to like a big award show.
By now, you've probably heard Kevin McGuire's story. The 18-year-old from Stratford, New Jersey, is at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia battling leukemia for the second time in 5 years. To cheer him up, Victoria started the Taylor Swift Please Take Kevin McGuire to Prom Facebook page. Kevin, a senior at Sterling High School, loves Taylor Swift.
It's because she's just a great positive role model for today's society. Like, you see all these other celebrities just on the news about being in jail and drugs and all that kind of stuff, but Taylor, she's just a great girl. And
the Facebook page took on a life of its own, and within a few days, Taylor Swift responded.
This is the best thing in the world that could possibly happen to him.
Though she can't make the prom, she has invited Kevin to the Academy of Country Music Awards to be held in Las Vegas on April 1st. Kevin hopes to be healthy enough to go.
It's definitely something to fight for, something to make his recovery a little bit faster, something definitely to look forward to.
In Stratford, New Jersey, Clara Rivero, NBC 10 News.